Welcome to RecruitMilitary.com. And I'm going to show you how to do a basic job search using our tool. Now, this is going to start once you've already created a candidate profile, and I'm logged into my candidate profile here. What I can do is I can come under New Search and I can enter keywords. So let's, for example, say Marketing Manager in, let's do Austin, Texas. So as you start typing text, it's going to recommend a city. So feel free to do this, or you can hit this button over here and it'll use the location of your device in order to show you things that are near you. So we'll do Austin. Let's assume I'm trying to relocate, or perhaps I'm transitioning out from Texas. Okay, cool. So we've got Marketing Manager in Austin, Texas, 30 miles, and that's going to create a set of search results. And the first thing you can do is you can sort either by the time that the job was posted or by search result relevance. So this is going to automatically default to relevant searches based on the words and the location you used. You can resort this over here and you could see the search results based on how new that job is. Now you notice that the search results are not going to be perfect. In this case, the job's in Austin, but it's not necessarily marketing. So the search results give you a couple different ways to think about that, but relevance is usually going to be the stronger fit. So then besides this, if we like this search a lot, if this is exactly what we're looking for, the kind of job we want, we can hit the Save Search button and it'll remember these search parameters and we can go back to that. And we'll show you in a moment how to use that. Now, as you come down here and you say, all right, maybe I want to limit these search results, we can filter by organization, which is the company or the organization that's hiring, the city. So perhaps there are some areas that are kind of outside of the Austin, Texas area, but that may have some good search results for us. The state, of course, and then the country. Now you can come down here into employment type. You can search for full-time or intern roles or part-time, contract, seasonal. There's a variety of different roles, and we'll show you that on the profile video. And then by the date published, as well as the ability to share these. So if you like a job or if you have a search that you think is providing particularly good results for people like you can share those results with other people like you. Now, whether those are your friends on Facebook or other members in your unit, or you want to send them to them on LinkedIn, that shared search is a way to get the search results out for people who may be looking for something similar. Now, again, the last thing that I'll show you on this candidate profile point here is that once you've saved this search and you really like it, you can go and you can hit notifications and you can enable email notifications when search results that are new that fit these criteria come into the system. So that's another way for you to find out about new roles that meet your goals in the area where you're looking. Now, if you come over here to the menu, you can come down and you could see your saved jobs, saved searches, and then your applied jobs. So this is where you can manage your job search as a job seeker. You can pull up saved searches here. You can pull up your applied jobs if you had applied to some jobs here. And then you can save jobs. And you might save a job if you like something, but you want to come back later after having rewritten your resume or writing a cover letter or done more preparation before sending your application in. I guess the final point that I'll point out here is you can also access all of our different user features through this menu, and you can even come back to the job search feature and start over again by clicking there.